We are here paddle boating our way through Lake Mary and into Lake Emily through a little canal that's 3/4 mile long. Now, I don't know if we'll be able to make it through that. Most likely we will. We shall see on this great adventure into the unknown. What do you have to say about it?
It's kind of relaxing. My leg, it kind of hurts my back. It's not very comfortable. We got snacks, so I'll be fine.
Break number 1. We're out here trying to survive. The canal over there is struggling. Okay, I thought it was over there.
We saw some geese.
Some swans. Trumpeter swans flying in V-shaped formation.
What did you say? Okay.
So we've got about halfway.
And then that's the canal and that.
There's a bridge. We get to go underneath.
Whoa, and then it goes, whoop.
Oh, an island.
And then there's an, oh, we could get on the island.
Oh,
and then there's Emily Lake.
Oh, and then that there is Pine River.
Yeah, we don't want to go there. We might not come back.
This thing goes a mile per hour. That's it.
Our legs are cramping.
Oh yeah.
Nobody's done this in a paddle boat.
I know.
They all got kayaks and way more fuel efficient things, but
No,
our gas,
Sarah, we're 40 miles per gallon.
yeah, a gallon of food every 40 hours. I think we're going backwards.
Oh crap, we are. Here, go.
Alright, that way. Yep, straight that way. We're going to the buoy for good luck. And we've almost made it to the canal. Look how far we've gone.
Over a mile.
My legs are cramping.
My buttocks is cramped.
So are we actually gonna hit this, or like are we gonna?
Oh, we're taking it out. We took it out.
Alright, look at this. We're in the canal. This is slow again. Are you kidding me? We're not going slow. We might be out here all day.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here. What's about?
It's raining.
Raining. I don't know. Contains peanut. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Oh, I'm popping.
There's a bee!
Why is it not going anywhere? Why are we eating so fast? It's like we're starving.
We've almost made it to shelter out of the rain.
It's raining. There's fishies here.
Tommy, we're gonna hit that.
I know, I'm turning.
It echoes.
I'm turning. Now I can eat my donuts.
Wow. Oh,
I want my donuts. I hear a bird. My legs are moving and I'm not doing it.
Can I have this?
Yeah. Oh no. Dad almost threw away his check. I was mad to him because he thought it was a scam. What? What is that?
What?
Really good.
What are you doing, bro? Bro, you're fat. You got enough food back there? Now all these are your buttocks.
Oh wait, what am I doing? Mom's gonna watch this. Oh, Sierra.
No.
Here, this thing does have current. We're moving.
We might not be able to get back. I bit my lip. We're moving.
So when, I don't know what was going on, but when I was dying, half the brownie was stuck to the top of my mouth and I couldn't get it off. So I was just drooling.
More sugar.
High gas mileage.
That was intense. So much sugar. Tastes like cardboard.
Oh, so much sugar.
Oh, no. Oh.
What if there's somebody walking across the top of the bridge?
Hello?
Come here, kids. I got some Chips Ahoy.
Why you got your socks back here, bro? Why are you like a prairie dog?
Okay, I'm the last cookie. Oh. That was way too much cooking. Oh, why did I do that? Sure it's not a statue? Oh, gotta get on GoPro. So I just seen a little while ago the biggest spider I've ever seen. Dead, upside down in the water. But the body, the legs and everything were about that big. That big. Should have brought my swim trunks. What was I thinking? I got these large jeans on.
We've made it to Lake Emily. And we saw a red-headed woodpecker up in these trees here.
I see a potential good access point. Pull me ashore, baby.
Alright, get out. We're out here on Emily Lake. We saw a lot of birds over there. We didn't get much footage of it, but there's a lot of birds.
Common yellowthroat, yellow warbler, great blue heron, the red-headed woodpecker. That's the name of a few.
Right now we're exploring this lake a little bit, then we'll head back.
If we head back right now, we'll get back around 5 or 6.
This lake's a lot more green.
A lot more. About halfway, Sierra.
Why is this lake so long? We're going to a Pine River over there somewhere. We've almost made it to Little Pine River.
Should we go check out this bridge and head back?
It looks like it's current over there. We're heading back.
How many miles we got out here? 2.5, 3? 4 hours.
Gone about 3.5.
Yeah, we're gonna head back now.
We've got a long
We
ways
still
back.
got about 3-4 hours to go.
And this thing is making a weird noise.
I might have to get the life jacket on and start towing it.
We made it back to Canal Way. We hit a buoy back there.
And I got stuck on it.
And we got stuck on it. We kept trying to go around it. And these people on those boat over there were just staring.
All 5 or 6 of them.
Just staring at us.
We out here in the swamps of Florida.
We're lawn mowing. We're mowing right now. Look,
alligators.
look, we're mowing.
Look at this here.
And I'm glad there's no alligators in here. That would have been some vlog content.
Sweat, 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 da 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 da
Da da. Da 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 oh da 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 oh da 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 oh yo yo ya ya oh. Oh, what is that?
What is that? Sarah, there's snails on it.
No, what is that? Oh, what is that? What is that?
They're dead. That's the skeletons.
What is that?
Some sort of bug that peels its skin. That's its skin.
Fish. Bro, I'm getting out of here.
You don't want to be swimming here. There's huge spiders, leeches, hundreds of water beetles. Great big old fish. Oh, buddy.
That was intense.
I know how to do it now. Hang on, Sam. Come on, Sam. Oh, my gluteus maximus feels better now. Oh, okay, remember, Sarah, don't go through the shallow part. We gotta go through the weeds. Remember, Sarah, don't go through the shallow part. You gotta go through the weeds. You'll be able to make it, Sarah. Forward.
Oh, it's
Not
not
gonna make it.
happening. Yeah, because there's ground right there.
Oh, and there's poop over there. Yeah, we don't want to touch the sign. Let's try our best to turn it. Oh no. We're going to reverse a little bit. Come on! Come on! Okay, here we go. Feel it.
No.
Feel it.
Tell them we stopped. We're not moving anymore.
Reverse! Feel it. I feel it. It's not working! We only need to go there. Okay, I feel it. I think we're stuck, Sarah. Okay, Sarah, you may not need to get out. Shoot, I'm just gonna have to get down, aren't I? I can do it, Sarah. See them white boys? They do the trick. I'm red belly.
Belly
I'm the red belly shenanigan from up north. Let's get going now.
Santa?
Oh, why does it smell like sewer? Okay, we can get moving here.
Oh.
Red belly shenanigan, John the move. That was a terrible idea, Sarah. Why'd you go with that one? Letting my people feel free. Oh yeah. That's my dogs playing around. Oh, that feels good. Let's get going. Look, I got like little reins.
Alright, aiming for the buoy.
I can't believe we got stuck. What type of bull crap is that? Alright, Sarah, now time for the long haul.
Oh yeah.
Just keep pedaling.
Just keep pedaling. Oh. Oh man. I'm so sunburned on my legs. Oh.
You're gonna be a whole different color when we get back.
Don't-
Brownie. Is that racist? You brownie! You brownies! Brownie! We gotta get out of here! I can't breathe!
She's a small town girl living in a lonely world. Won't stop believing.
Stop!
I can do it. You gotta stop. I can do it.
Okay. I'm gonna poop my pants. Yes! Oh, it feels good to be alive! Whoa! Paddle! Paddle! Why am I here? I don't even want to look where I'm going. Turn! Come on, Sarah, you imbecile! We're not going anywhere! I'm gonna cry.
I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Bring no shame, I'll lose my voice. Screaming out. Mommy shark, mommy shark.
What is up with your playlist, bro?
I ripped it trying to get it off. That's soaking wet.
You know, Tom's gonna swim from here.
I'm gonna pull the paddle boat.
Grandfathership.
Grandpa! Gramps, what's up? Grandpa? We're just about back to the lake house. We're just about done with our little paddle expenditure. I got the life jacket on. I'm going to connect this little ratchet strap to me and I'm going to pull it the rest of the way. Once I'm in there, it'll be okay, but it's scary. Because I don't know, there's pickerel in there. There's big old pike. Do I want to be in amongst the pike? No, I don't. And it's cold. Real cold. There we go.
Is it scary? You're going the wrong way.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh my goodness, you're pulling it. You're actually.
Oh, it's crappy. The jeans will come undone.
Tom, don't lose your pants.
Paddle, Sierra, paddle! Ah! Shoot the paddle! Is there crocodiles in here?
Tom, why don't I just pull you? Just latch onto the back, maybe.
Follow me, Sierra. Go, Sierra, go.
Tom, we're not turning.
Ah!
We're going backwards.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to pull you, Sierra. It's just the way. Okay, I'm attached. Let's go. Oh yeah.
This is the weirdest thing.
Are we going forward? I got a headache. Are we closer?
Oh yeah, a lot.
Really?
We're almost to the seaweed. I mean,
I'm getting in.
Tommy! Don't go under the boat. Oh my goodness, bro.
Crocodiles. Swim. I mean paddle.
We're back at the lake house. Look at all of them having fun. We're the ones who are really having fun. Alright. You ready, Tom? We made it. We went like 7 miles. I gotta pull it in. We did it, bro.
You know what we need? I need to sit down. I need snacks. Oh my goodness.
Tom, we went all this way to sit in the boat and eat snacks.
I don't think I need snacks, what I need is water.
Tom, we did it! We did it! We went 7 miles!
At least. Let's get on the tube and just relax for a second.